Okay guys, so I'm out here reviving the brown Ford diesel for you guys. Mr. D Magic 88, you've been donating me money and stuff. I'll give you a shout out, appreciate that. And then get some more money towards getting these vehicles to run if everybody helps, you know. But I don't ask for donations, I just do this for fun. I'd like to get my truck going. So what I did is redid the battery ends, just one battery so far. Cracked all 8 injectors. Gonna try the glow plugs first. If glow plugs don't work, disconnect glow plug system. Little ether. Don't like ether, but I cracked them all open. I put full of diesel fuel in here. I can feel the fuel's right here. It's cold. Not here, but it's coming up here. And I found this return line right here was loose, and that's the problem I bet with the air. The return line going here is loose, and I tighten it. I think it's bad. It needs a new pipe. So that's why it's probably not running good. The fuel return lines could be bad, and much other things too. So what I've been starting her with, handy dandy screwdriver. Let the glow plugs go a minute here. See, now it's not supposed to click like that. There's bad glow plugs or a relay. So go here. Give it a break a minute here. It's definitely getting close. It's getting kind of warm here. Hope that battery hangs in there. I got another battery. I don't see any fuel yet. Try again. Oop. Not coming up there yet. Getting close. I see the battery's getting weak, so I might have to switch out here. Oop. I think I'd come up there, but that pump must be bad. Okay. We can do a plan B if it doesn't pump it up there. I'll be back to you guys in a little bit here. Okay guys, I disconnected all the glow plugs. They're not connected. There's ether. We're gonna do ether now. Ooh, that's probably too much. Running on IDIs here. Don't even fire on that either. Huh. Could be spraying it on your stern, but it might hydrolock it too. Oh guys, I was going to tell you, I don't know if I did, but there's fuel here now, so we're getting close, and the glow plugs are all disconnected. Hoping the ether won't be enough to fire it and get it running so I don't have to use the glow plugs, because the glow plug boots are burnt off. When I turn it on now, the relay don't click like it did, so the glow plugs are not working. That's the problem. The return line here is bad. The O-ring sets are bad. Probably an injection pump. So it's, I don't want to put too much ether down there because it'll hydrolock it. And ether's not good for a diesel. I don't want to use that, but I have no choice. There now. You guys can tell it's got bad compression because it should start on ether. There's fuel there now. But I'm gonna try cracking the injectors to make sure there's fuel there, and I'll be right back. Try 7,000. Okay, so I come to a conclusion that this thing has no compression in some cylinders. So, no compression equals no running too good. Running rough, running terrible. Somebody told me that the last cylinder blows out, puts a hole in it, causing it to run that way, but it could be what's wrong with it. Antifreeze is down. Didn't never check the oil, don't care. But I get fuel up here. I get fuel to the injectors. Spray ether in there. Gold plugs are all disconnected. Should fire, right? Should fire with ether, but no. It just rarely smokes. If you guys seen it, that's all it does. It don't even try to fire. The gold plugs are not working at all. I tested them. All 8 of them do not work. So the gold plugs don't help. One battery doesn't help. I'm diagnosing that this engine's shot. So I don't know. I kind of wanted to make sure. By using ether, that's a good indication it has no compression. Very good. Because the diesels that I've ever always used ether on would, you know, always started with no gold plug system. You know, where the gold plug system I disconnected, it should start. It doesn't fire. And it's getting fuel. Got it over my hands. It's coming out of here. It's running down the engine, you can see. I don't know if you can see it. See, there's diesel coming everywhere. But it won't fire.